Welcome to it or welcome back to Hold My Beer channel. We're doing something a little different today, guys. Hold on to what you got. Let's go. So guys, on today's episode, we're doing a crab I don't think many people have ever seen in their life. You know what I mean? Even though it is native to the U.S. or up and down the East Coast where I live at, you know. But right now, we're getting our water up to a rolling boil, right? So I've already put seasonings in there, you know, let them open up a little bit. I'm gonna put like maybe three tablespoons of vinegar. That'll kind of, you know what I'm saying, tap it down a little bit. It is the Hold My Beer channel, so I'm gonna take my favorite beverage. Put it in there, all right? And then we're gonna slice up our vegetables and we're gonna give you the cook times. We're gonna show you how to stagger it, everything, all right? The Hold My Beer channel, Worldwide Crumb. We back at it, guys. Outside, I love you, all right? Let's do it. Now, guys, once you got your water up to a rolling boil and everything, with your vinegar in there, vinegar aids with the seasoning going through any seafood that you're boiling, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong, but I don't know. Put in my favorite beverage. If you know what a favorite beverage is, give me a thumbs up. So now, we're gonna take some, I prefer smoked neck bone. Some people prefer sausages. Some people prefer neck bones. So, next thing you're gonna do, drop them in there. Let these go for maybe 12 minutes, 15 minutes. So they get that flavor. And then we're gonna come back out and show you guys the surprise, which I'm gonna go ahead and just spoil it for y'all. These are Jonah Crabs. Like, it's pretty wild. So please keep watching the video. I'll be back with y'all, all right? Thumbs up. Now that you've had your whatever smoked meat that you choose or whatever protein you like, if you like any protein at all in your crabs, they've been going for maybe, you know, 10, 15 minutes now. What we're gonna do here at my house, cut up onions whole. You can just chunk them in there. Now, potatoes. No matter what potato you get, you know what I mean? If it's a russet or whatever, you gotta cut it up, chop it up. These are very small red potatoes. Tip and trick, guys. Tip and trick, all right? So instead of having to fish them out, put them in your plastic bag, poke some holes in it, boom. Give it a little bit more flame. Then now we'll give it another maybe 8 minutes, 10 minutes. Then we're gonna come back with our crab. This is gonna be the best crab boil y'all ever had. I've never cooked or even tasted a Jonah's crab, but we doing it today and y'all watching it. So let's go. Thumbs up. All right, let's do it.
Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So guys, like I told y'all, it is a real surprise. So these are Jonah's crabs, Jonah crabs. They remind me of a Dungeness, you know, with the big claws and everything, but something different. You know what I'm saying? I've never seen them. Pretty sure you haven't seen them. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna stay on the regular course, and we just gonna. Yeah. So now we're back at it. Like I told y'all, something different on the Hold My Beer channel all the time, I think. So guys, this is a Jonah's crab. All right, kind of reminds you of a Dungeness or whatever. I've never have cooked these or even seen these, but hey, I'm gonna stick to what I know. We're gonna do them just like some blue crabs, and we're gonna figure it out by hook or crook. All right, that's what we're doing. So uno.
gonna grab them like that? Huh?
Yep, I'm just gonna grab them. You know, they have good claws, I think.
We might need some crackers.
We gonna figure it out. We gonna figure it out. Look at that boy, man. Look at this boy
Some
right there.
big crab.
Look at that boy right there. And I have again the newest member of the family. He
Running all around. Look
yeah, he man. This guy right here.
at hard to catch him
Yeah.
on tape.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. I smack you silly. I smack you silly. So I think we have the basic principles of what we doing. So boom, put them in there. Oh, and they did me one favor. So make sure you're tapped in with your butcher or your seafood guy, whatever. Boom. Baker's dozen. Put them in there. We're gonna bring it back up to temp, guys. And now we're gonna give them maybe 10, 12 minutes or enough time to have a beer. And we're gonna come back out here and then we're gonna give you guys our honest opinion about Jonah's Crabs, because again, I've never had them, the family's never had them, and we're gonna experiment with it together. All right, love you guys. See you soon, guys. So boom, we're back at it with our Jonah's Crabs, and at this point, I can reach into my pot. They've changed. They've turned color. You know what I mean? That's your telltale sign for those who don't know. You know what I mean? This is probably a good pound, guys, for real.
So you probably don't need to eat one of them.
A good pound, I think. You know, but I am like my father, so I tend to maybe overbuy. We took out our smoked meat and our potatoes. You know what I mean? We're not fishing around. And we're going to take the rest of these guys out of here. Ooh, I'll smack you silly. I'll smack you silly. Take the rest of these out of here. And then we're going to let the taste testers do what they do. You know. But again, I just tried to do something familiar to me. It's a crab. I'm used to boiling crabs or even steaming crabs. And so even though this is the first time I've ever seen these or whatever, I just went with something I'm familiar with. Do that, you can't go wrong. All right, cool. See that? So then we're going to let them cool off, let them rest, guys. We're going to go in the house. Then we're going to crack into these bad boys. And we're going to give y'all our honest opinion about what we think of the taste, texture, and flavor of Jonah's Crab. So I appreciate y'all sticking with me for the first time doing this. And we're going to go from there. See you in the house. Do it.
Golly. Y'all boiled these? Have you?
Yeah.
No. Okay.
All right, guys. So, hey, we finished with our Jonah's Crabs. These are some, we boiled them and everything. Did them like, I'm from the South, so we are used to doing blue crabs. So, basically, that's the same principle I took and did. Nice fat butter in there and everything. Pop off the legs. Pop off the legs.
Ooh, that's a big claw.
Big claws. Then in here, a little bit more meat. And then underneath it, pop off that. Split it down the middle is what I think. Because again, this is my first time doing it with y'all as well.